Hello, this is a Mario tribute. Now, I all know what you're thinking. You're thinking that Mario should be doing this himself. Well, actually, no, I'm going to tell us something about it. Well, all I think of it is mostly he's been eating me and not touching me all the time. But I'm confused. He's a very awesome guy. Almost everybody thinks he's awesome. I think he's awesome, too. I have all my Mario toys. There's me, the Mario figure, the Luigi figure, and this old Mario Kart. It's from the Wii, not the micro controller. It has a wire and it's controlled and some slime. So there you have it. There's my Mario figure.